guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. Again, I'm back with another pick a card reading, which is what are the messages from your person when if it is no contact, there is no contact between you and your person, or very minimum contact. So if you want to know what are the messages from your person, we will see today. So no contact, messages from your person. So we have three piles here. Pile number 1, 2, 3. We have red heart, then a blue and green heart, and yellow heart. So you can choose any one of them, and it will be resonated for anybody, like your crush, your husband, your partner, your lover, anybody. You can see. If you're singles also, you can see, and if you are into separation, you can see this about your partner, how that person is feeling. And I will tell the signs also, then we can see the personal messages also. Then if it is resonating, please let me know in the comment box. I love to read your comments. Then before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers, and for new subscribers, most welcome to my channel. And this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everybody. So if you want personal reading, you can see the details in the description box, and you can contact me accordingly. Then if you want any other readings, if you want to give any ideas of the further readings, you can type in the chat box, and I will do it. So we will see no contact and messages from your person. Okay, let's start. So we have pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3. So please take your time and choose your pile, whichever you are intuitively connected with. And if you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, and think of your person and choose the pile. Okay, so let's start. So whoever chose pile number 1, this red heart, this reading is for you. Let's see what your person is feeling, and what are their messages, what they want to tell you, what they want to tell you, what are their feelings and what are their messages. Let's see. We will also pull one guidance card and also handwritten messages. Okay. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please guide us, please give us some guidance. Whoever chose pile number 1, please give them some clarity. One more card. Okay, let me arrange the cards first. Okay, so whoever chose pile number 1, I can see that you might be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Taurus, Earth signs are not there here. Okay. So Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, Cups energy is very strong, like water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy is very, very strong here. So you might be dealing with the person. Okay, so what your person want to say? Actually, in this connection, I can feel that you might be thinking that your person is a player or a flirt or a sneaky behavior, or he is dealing with many people, flirting with many people. So you are thinking like that, and even this person also knows that you don't have that much good opinion about that. And one more thing I want to tell you, friends, before starting, I can see the synchronicity here. So we can see 7 and 8 and twice 7. So July month is very much important to you, or October month 10 is twice. Okay, so that means 10 might be your birthday or your person's birthday, 7 might be your person's birthday or your birthday, or July and October months are very important for you, even August also. Okay, so let's see. So this person, definitely this person might be having a sneaky behavior earlier, and he was not serious into this relationship, and this person was just doing time pass in the starting of this relationship, and you were very innocent, and I can see that you gave lot of love, affection, and you poured your heart into that person, and you kept lot of trust, and you kept lot of your energy, emotions into this connection, but this person never like appreciated that, or never recognized that, okay, earlier. Then this person had lot of choices. Actually, with the 7 of cups, I can see this person had lot of choices, and he was hallucinating, daydreaming, and he was thinking, oh, I should go with this person, I should go with this person. So this person was very very into dark energy, and this person has very greedy thoughts, like lustful thoughts, that I will go this side, I should take up this. So this person was very very like immatured in the past, and later something happened, because he came to know that this kind of relationships, or this kind of time pass, this kind of datings, they are not giving me satisfaction or mental stability. So I want something strong, something very long term, or some commitment I need. So this person came to a conclusion that I want to have some fulfillment in my life. Then after that, he's thought, he was looking for that, but nobody was giving that kind of a commitment like you. Okay, you were honest, genuine, innocent person. You were giving lot of emotions, because cups means emotions. Okay, this person was not able to take it, like your honest offer and all. Maybe you might have expressed your feelings, or you might have expressed your love towards this person. Maybe this person ignored you, or ghosted you, or blocked you. Okay, so after that, this person came to know that all that glitters is not gold. Okay, so he has lot of options, but none of them are very good, none of them are comparable to you. So compared to you, all were like nothing. So this person, whole day, maybe he's enjoying, maybe he's dating, maybe he's going out, but at night when he sleeps, always, because of the moon I can say this, because at night when he sleeps, definitely he thinks about you. And this person is walking away from this connection, or not only this connection, he's walking away from all these play. Okay, so all these like dating and all, this person is walking away from with the 8 of cups, I can say this person is fed up of all these things, and he's tired of all these things. So this person want to walk away from this all the connections. He want to be alone, he want to be single. See, this person is walking away from this connection. Now right now we can see that this person is having lot of responsibilities. He is handling his own problems. He has maybe financial problem, or job workload, because of the corona, or maybe he might have lost the job also. So right now this person is not at all thinking about you, thinking in the sense, not no time for him to think about you, because he want to have stability in his life, and this person needs to have some peace of mind, rest. Because of all these things, he is tired. So maybe you are in separation, might be around 7 months, or 10 months, or 1 year, you might be away from this person. So 8, 7 and 10 are prominent. Maybe you both are not talking to each other, maybe 7 months, or 8 months, or 10 months, or 1 year, you both are not talking to each other. So this person is feeling very burdened because of your thoughts, because of your love. He is not able to forget what you did to them, like how much innocent love you gave to them. This person is not able to forget. So all all these thoughts and feelings are burdening him. So he want to forget you, he want to move away, because the when you had separation, when you had last words, last talk, so that was re echoing in his ears actually. So whatever you spoke to this person, they are kind of a like heart melting words. This person feels that they yes, this person is telling the truth only. I am not a good person, I am not a right person for this girl or a boy. So this person is feeling very burdened now and guilty now, so that because of this like the past behavior, he's feeling that everything is done now, I lost everything. So now he feels that I messed up the things in this relationship, in this connection, and there is no hope for reconciliation or rekindling in this connection. This person is into very much very sad energy actually, and he is not able to express his feelings to anybody else. Also, he is keeping everything into his heart, and he is not able to comprehend like what to do, how to do. He is not able to think. Now, wheel of fortune, slowly the things are moving, things are turning, and this person feels that now I think I cannot wait anymore. Now the time has come. So now the divine timing is coming now. So I have to take some action. I have to move forward. So this person is feeling like that, but he has no courage. He's very much afraid, and his fear of rejection he has. And this person, but wheel of fortune, so this person is feeling that this is the right time to come towards you. So maybe in the month of July or August or October, this person will definitely communicate with you, because we got the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cup means it is movement. Maybe this is very slow movement, slow energy, but this person still he wants to come towards you and want to offer the cup of love. This person is coming very very slowly, but surely this person want to come towards you with the cup of love. Okay, Knight of Cups, you can see this is the card of movement, card of action. So this person is coming towards you with the cup of love, but it may take time. It might have taken time, because you both are I mean you are separated from past 7 months, 8 months, or 1 year, 10 months. Okay, so this person is now, right now he will come to you. So let's take one guidance card, then we will pull the messages from your person. Okay, let's pull one guidance card. Let's pull one guidance card. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, please give us spirit guides. Please give us the guidance for this pile. Okay, the Empress. Empress means it is a very good card. So this person, even universe is saying that this connection has a potential for marriage. Empress means you can see the pregnant lady. So this person is having thoughts of having children with you. That means he wants a long-term relationship, long-term commitment, maybe marriage. Okay, so universe is saying stay optimistic, and you are Empress, and you have the guts, and you have the courage, you have everything, all that a person desires. So don't feel bad, or don't lose your hope. There is a very good future ahead, and you will have a very good family with the Empress card. Okay, let's see the messages from your person. Okay, thank you for the warm feelings you gave. Okay, this person is feeling all the things that you spoke and what all you have done for him. So this person is saying that thank you for the warm feelings you gave. So this person definitely regretting without you, wishing you were with me right now. So this person is missing you a lot right now. Nobody else is there in this person's life right now. So this person is missing you to hell right now. So every minute, every moment he is missing you, he or she. I wonder if you are happy without me. So this person is now feeling that he's wondering whether you are happy without this person, because earlier whatever cycle happened between you, so you were very much loving, caring, and you were very expressive. So now this person is wondering, see, so many months we don't have any contact, I wonder if you are happy without me. So this person is very curious to know about that. Definitely this person will come towards you, friends. All the best. Okay, pile number 1, this is what I have for you. This is the reading. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. And if any of your friends need any guidance, please share with them in your friends group also. Thank you. See you in the next reading. So now moving to the second pile. Okay, this is the green and blue heart. Whoever chose this blue and green heart, this reading is for you. So let's see what your person want to tell you, what messages your person want to tell you, what messages your person want to tell you, and what are their feelings currently, and what are they doing, what will be their next action, everything we will see. No contact, and what this person want to say. What are the messages from your person? 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 Pile number 2. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Give us some cards. Cards are not coming, friends. Even if they are coming also, they are coming in bulk. Let's see. Okay, so we can hope you can see the cards. Let me arrange the cards, friends. Okay, this is all I have for you. Pile number 2. So whoever chose the pile number 2, they might be dealing with strongly, I feel that Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and you or your person might be Aries. Okay, so we are seeing their messages. So your person might be Aries or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see the wands. Very few of you will be the cups. Cups means Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so right now this person is very much single, and this person has nobody in their life. This is what the message they want to pass it to you. And August month is very much important to you. August 8, number 8 is important. August month is important. So maybe your person is born in August, or you are born in August, or you both might have met in August. So that month will be very much important. Or number 5 to 10, these numbers also might be important for you. Number 1 also important. So you might be dealing with these signs, and remember these numbers. Okay, so right now this person is working hard on his finances and his career, his job or business. So he's working very hard on his career, and he's very busy into his personal life right now. And almost this whatever this person is doing, that is done now. Okay, so he's almost finished everything, fixing everything, and he came to the last pentacle. So that means his work is almost over. But I can see that there are a lot of obstacles, struggles, fighting. So this person is fighting with everybody. Maybe his family is not supporting, or he has some issues with the colleagues or friends or family members, relatives. So this person is battling into a battle actually. So maybe if your connection, maybe his family members are not agreeing, not approving, or this person is having different maybe financial issues, or that is the reason this person is fighting with them, or workplace, maybe he has lot of conflicts. And I can feel that this person is very bold and brave and rebel kind of a person. So this person is like, whatever is there, he will tell on face, like a very straightforward person, I can feel it. And this person want to tell you that I am working very hard in my career, finance and all right now. And this person definitely want to tell you that there are nobody in this person's life actually. So this person is long distance from you, and this person is two of wants is there. That means definitely this is a long distance relationship, and this person is waiting for you. And this person is not able to communicate, not able to come towards you, but this person wants to have communication from you. He's waiting patiently for your call or text, or because there is no communication. So this person want to communicate with you. Maybe you both are having not talking to each other, maybe for 5 months or 2 months or 8 months or 10 months, for some people 1 year. So you both are not talking to each other. So this person is feeling that what is that loneliness. This person is feeling very lonely, nobody is there to me, and my person is not talking to me, my person is away from me, we both are separated. So taking a globe in his hand, and he's waiting for your call, he's holding your connection very strongly, he's not leaving this connection. So for some people, there may be in the past he might have karmic connection, somebody else is there, but right now nobody is there in this person's life. And this person is waiting for you, and this person want to travel towards you and want to communicate all his love and feelings towards you. But maybe because of this lockdown corona, this person is not able to come towards you, but he is waiting for the right time. And this person is having lot of strength, because he's not losing strength. And he also feels that this is a soulmate connection, divinely guided. And the strength card also shows that this person is having lot of strength and lot of courage he is gathering to stay away from you. This person is very strong, he's standing strong, and facing all the problems, facing all the issues, fighting with everybody, fighting the battles, but still this person is not losing hope on this connection. This person is having lot of hope that you both will be together, you both will reconcile. So this person is having lot of emotions, love towards you, and this person want to have new beginning. Ace of Cups is there, that means he wants to have new beginning with you. And you are very lucky. This 10 of Pentacles card came, that means this is a marriage card. So this person want to have a long term stable commitment and relationship, marriage with you. He want to, maybe this person is having pets also, dogs also he must be having. And this person might be having an elder person at home, maybe for mother, father, to take care, or some grandparents are there to take care. So this person is looking at you like a family, like he wants you to be his wife, and he wants to have children with you. This person is thinking very stable, and he's thinking about a stable connection. And this person want to have a, always remember that earth signs are very stable, loyal, honest, and they are trustworthy people. So that's representing. So 10 of Pentacles means it is not a short term thing, it is a long term, lifelong. This connection will stay in your life. So there is a marriage card here. So congratulations friends, this person want to marry you. He is looking at you like a life partner. So let's see one guidance card. Let's pull one guidance card, and I will see the messages from your person. Let's pull one guidance card. Okay, so Justice. Okay, so maybe already the fighting card came, so that means that this person might be dealing with some legal formalities, legal problems, battles, court problems, or almost this Justice card talks about divorce and marriage also. So this person might be in a divorce. I told you 2 of Wands is there, that means this person has some karmic partner. Right now he's not with that karmic partner, so this person might be in the process of divorce, or legal battles are happening. Justice means it's a divorce card. At the same time, it can mean that marriage card also, ending and new beginning. So this person want to give divorce, and he wants to marry you. That's what justice card is, a very good card. So you will get justice in this connection. Okay, so let's see the messages from your person. Let's see the messages from your person. Let's see the messages from your person. Wishing you were with me right now. So wishing you were with me right now. So that person is missing you every moment. So he wants you to be with him all the time. That's what I said. I mean, this person is missing you, and this person is thinking about you a lot. And especially at night time when he goes to bed, he always thinks about you. Maybe you both have some pictures, or maybe he's talking your social media. He's looking at old photos that you have sent, or chat messages that you both conversated, or text messages that you have sent. He's again and again repeatedly looking at those messages. Thank you for the warm feelings you gave. So that's what this person never faced, never experienced this kind of love earlier. So maybe he might be married also, but still this person never experienced this kind of love and affection that you are showing. So this person is missing, and he's saying thank you for the warm feelings you gave me. Okay, so I couldn't let you get close to me. So I couldn't let you get close to me. So that means earlier this person didn't give you a chance, or he ignored you, ghosted you, blocked you. There could be many reasons for that. But this person is feeling that I couldn't let you get close to me, because he was dealing with the karmic partner. So that's the reason he was not open. But right now this person want to come towards you with Ace of Cups. He wants new beginning and marriage with you. Okay, congratulations pile 2. That's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if your friends also needs any guidance, please share my videos with them in your friends group. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. Now let's move to pile number 3. This yellow heart. Whoever chose the yellow heart, this reading is for you. Okay, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. What is happening in this connection, and what is this person feeling? No communication, no contact, and what are their messages? Whoever chose pile number 3, what are their person's messages? Okay, King and Queen are here. Judgment is there. Fightings, battles. 10 of Wands. Okay, let me arrange the cards for you. Okay, so you might be whoever chose pile number 3, you might be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Almost you have all the signs here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see strongly Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and fixed signs like Taurus, Scorpio, then Sagittarius, Aquarius, Leo. I can see strongly them. Okay, so 5 is very prominent in your life. 5 and 20, then 10. So maybe month of May is prominent to you. Maybe you or your person born in month of May, or you met in month of May. Then October also is prominent. Then number 20 is prominent. Okay, so let's start the reading. So this person is your whomever you are thinking about. So this person is right now into a very lonely stage. He's alone. Actually, he's battling, and he has lot of fights and lot of responsibilities in his life. And this person, Five of Swords, also shows that this person reckless is a little bit reckless, and he's not having that much fear, like what society will say, what I'm if I do something. And our past, he was little bit kind of a player energy, and this person might have dealt with many people, and he was recklessly he's cutting off the relationships, and he might be dating multiple people, but he's not he doesn't have any fear or guilt in the past. Okay, then after that he is having lot of, because of his nature, he has lot of fights also with his colleagues or classmates or relatives or family members. So somebody is not accepting this connection, whatever the connection you have. So this society is not accepting, or his family members are not accepting, but this person is having lot of responsibilities because of that. Maybe this person is the earning member of the family, or this person is the eldest son of the family, or this person is having some problems in the office or job thing. So this person is moving away from this connection, okay, in the past. Because of that only you are not in communication right now. So because of this he thought that this connection will never work, my parents will not agree, family will not agree, and society will not agree. So I can see that whoever is the viewer or this person may be divorced. Both I can see the cards, Queen of Cups and King of Pentacles, both represent that you both are maybe single mother or single father, both are divorced right now. You are single. Okay, I can see there are some children involved. I can see 3 children here in this picture, Queen of Cups. So I can see 3 children also. So you are a single mother, and this person is also divorced, and he's single actually. This kind of a situation. So this is a very complicated situation. Children are there, and you are divorced, and this person take it to how it resonates. Okay, so you might be single mother, and or that person might be single father. So it actually I can see the female, whoever is in this connection, this female is divorced, and she has 3 children, or the other person, whomever you are dealing with, that person is also divorced, but that person is not having any children. So take it how it resonates. Okay, so finally Judgment is coming. Judgment meaning how long you will wait for each other. So judgment means it is kind of a like end of this relationship. Okay, so judgment, nobody is taking any action, you are not taking any action, that person is not taking any action, but judgment is coming into this connection. That means end of the connection, or maybe because you both are stagnant, you both are not moving towards each other. So universe is interfering in this connection, and universe is putting an end to this connection. But let's clarify why this Judgment card came here. Okay, so Judgment card came here, and clarifier came as Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords means new beginning. Okay, or Ace of Swords also can mean that sometimes it is kind of you getting physical and having pregnancy, or pregnancy related problems, conflicts, so that kind of a thing. But this relation will definitely have a new beginning because of Ace of Swords, and that too this will happen very fast. And this new beginning also is coming very fast for you, because swords means it is very fast moving energy. So this person want to have the new beginning in this connection. Okay, because he is now fed up of waiting, and he's tired of fighting with everybody, but this person is not able to forget you. So that is the reason universe is interfering in this connection, and it is giving the Judgment, and the Judgment will be the new beginning in this connection. And you both have to meet and sit together, talk to each other, heart to heart conversation. So communication is coming, new beginning is coming into this connection. But the guidance card came as Moon. Okay, the Moon means deception. So universe is telling that you have to be very open. You don't hide anything from each other. If you want to have long term relationship, or if you want to have a marriage in this connection, if you want to live together, then you should not be deceptive. At the same time, this person may be having secrets, or you are having secrets in your life. So something is not clear in this connection. So universe is saying that first clarify what is happening, and no, both of you know each other, and both of you know each other's past life, what is happening, by all the secrets and the past, and what is there. So this pile is not that much promising to me. This pile is having lot of problems in the love life, and in this connection also there are a lot of problems actually. So it will take a lot of time to heal this, and sometimes I'm sorry to say, this pile especially, maybe this person is feeling to end this connection, whatever the connection you have. But the problem is, if somebody is pregnant in this relationship, that is the problem I can see here. So be careful, and pray to God, and have faith in God, and definitely the positive changes will come. Okay, let's see your person's cards, messages for you. One message flew away. I wish I had treated you better. So this person is regretting now. This person is saying that I wish I had treated you better. So earlier he didn't treat you better. He ignored or blocked or ghosted. So this person is feeling very, very bad. I look for you everywhere. So this person is missing all the moments when you both were together, when you both roamed around, or you went somewhere outside. So all these places this person is searching for you. So one more last card. I have thought of taking a trip with you. So this person definitely want to take a trip with you to clarify all the things, have a heart-to-heart conversation, or to spend time with you, and know you better, so knowing each other better. So this person want to take a trip with you. So that's all I have for you, pile number 3. Wish you all the best. If you like my reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. And if any one of your friends need any guidance, support and all, you can share my videos to them. Okay, please, I can see many of you watching my videos, but nobody is subscribing. That is heartbreaking, friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's all I have for you. Till next video, bye.